Okay, so boys and girls, we have been talking about pronouns. And we were talking about pronouns when they are in the subject of the sentence. And we call those subject pronouns. Well, today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about them in the predicate of the sentence. And those are called object pronouns. And we have special pronouns we use in the predicate of the sentence, the object pronouns. And those pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Would you repeat those after me? Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Okay, so those are the ones we use in the predicate of the sentence. Now, object pronouns follow the action verb. So those would be after the verb, and those would be in the predicate of the sentence. So they follow the action verbs and words like the word to, for, at, of, and with. So those are the ones that are in the predicate after the verb or after words like to, for, at, of, and with. Now, a noun and the object pronoun that it replaces must match each other in singular or plural forms. So if you have a singular noun and you are replacing it with a pronoun in the predicate of the sentence, you have to use a singular pronoun. If you have a plural noun in the subject of the sentence and you are replacing it in the predicate of the sentence, you have to use a plural pronoun. They have to have that. You have to agree with that. Okay? So now the pronouns it and you are both subject pronouns and object pronouns. So they both can be used either in the subject or they can be used both subject and object pronouns. So boys and girls, here are some examples. Give the book to Sandra. We can also say give the book to her. That's the object pronoun. Sandra loves books. We can replace books with she loves them. We replace both of them. Sandra becomes she, books becomes them. That is a plural pronoun. Them is more than one. Sandra is a female. So we use what? Her. Did we use the word she? No, she would go in the subject of the sentence. It would be an object pronoun, or a subject pronoun. We would say, she has the books. That would be in the subject of the sentence. Okay? What questions do you have about that? Are you ready to do a little practice where it always makes more sense when we practice?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do a little practice. Because until we practice, now it just seems kind of confusing. Now it says, replace the blue word or words with an object pronoun. I went to the mall with John. What could we replace that with? Anastasia?
I went to the mall with him.
With him, very good. John and I will buy the scarf. Thomas, read the sentence with the word it in it.
John and I will buy it.
We'll buy it. Will someone wrap it for John and me? What will we replace John and me with? Ethan.
Will someone wrap it for them?
Well, no.
They.
Well, but you're there. It's me. You're with John. Is that a they then? What do you think? You're with John, you're at the mall, you bought the scarf. You're asking, will someone wrap it for? Think of it. Will someone wrap it for John and me? So instead of saying, will someone wrap it for John and me, you're going to say, will someone wrap it for?
I.
Not I, because it's with you and John's there with you. So what are you gonna say? What pronoun can replace John and me? There's two of you. Somebody help your friend. Clark,
Them.
not them. Them refers to other people. You're there with John. You're there with John. Elisa?
Us.
Us. It's the two of you. Does that seem like it makes sense? Will someone wrap it for us? Us refers to you and someone else. There's the two of you. You're there together, right? Us. We need presents for Jim and Janice also. Okay? Now that's somebody who's apart from you. Here, this includes you. So that would be an us. Like us here in our classroom. Now we have, this could refer to the people across the hall. Who would this be? What pronoun can we use here? Libby?
Them.
Them, read the sentence with that.
We need presents for them also.
For them also. Like them across the hall. Us here, them across the hall. Please wait in line with Mrs. Walters. What are we gonna do there? Kelsey?
Please wait in line with her.
With her. Remember, she's a her. We use her because she's a female. Very good. Now we're going to practice with a paper. We'll see how we do. Anastasia, you have a question?
I have a brother named John.
Yes, you have a brother named John. Very good. Very good. Maybe someone will wrap it for the two of you. We'll wrap it for you. Yes.